In Amsterdam, the lights so bright. We dance and laugh, we feel the night. The city's alive, so full of dreams. Let's ride the waves and hear the screams. The music pounds, it's in our veins. We're jumping high, we break the chains. A million lights, they guide our way. In Amsterdam, we're here to play. All alive in Amsterdam. Feel the rhythm, feel the jam. Alive and live in Amsterdam. Join the party, here I am. The bridges glow, the streets so wide. We dance the night, we own the tide. With every step, with every beat. In Amsterdam we can't be beat. The laughter's loud, the spirit's high. We reach the stars, we touch the sky. Embrace the night, embrace the fun. In Amsterdam we are the one. Alive and live in Amsterdam. Feel the rhythm, feel the jam. Alive and live in Amsterdam. Join the party, here I am. The laughter's loud, the spirit's high. We reach the stars, we touch the sky. Embrace the night, embrace the fun. In Amsterdam we are the one. Alive, alive in Amsterdam. Feel the rhythm, feel the jam. Alive, alive in Amsterdam. Join the party, here I am.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Alive in Amsterdam. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance. This dance has no tap, no restart. Okay, let me face it backward to get started. First section, you start with the right foot, you move your right foot to the side, and then you do the single hip bump to the right, and then single hip bump to the left, and then double hip bump to the right, right, and right. Right now your weight is on your right foot. And then we repeat the same pattern to the other side. So first single bump to the left, and single bump to the right, and then double hip bump to the left, left and left. Right now your weight is on your left foot. Okay, let's do this section one more time with count. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the second section, we start with the right foot. 3 steps move to the right. So right foot side, together side, punch, and then repeat to the left side, left foot side, together side, brush. Okay, let's do the section one more time with time. So single hip bump to the left, right, and double to the left. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the third section, we start with the right foot. We do 3 steps within cross. So right foot, cross, side, behind, point. And then similar, we start with the left foot to the whipping cross, but this time with a quarter turn left. So left foot, cross, side, and quarter turn left with the left step back, and then right foot point to the side. Okay, let's do this section one more time. So after your previous section, move to the left for 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the final section, We start with the right foot. We're gonna do 2 forward point. Right foot, forward point, left foot, forward point. And then we do the chest bus with the cross. Cross, back, side, cross. Okay, the reception one more time with time. So let's go to the weaving cross for 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put everything together from the top. So we start with the right foot single bump, right, left double bump, right, and right single bump, left, right, double bump, left, and left to the right side. Together, side, touch, side, together, side, brush, within cross, side, behind, point, within cross, side, put it to the left, point, forward, point, just pass cross, back, side, cross. Okay, do one more time with cut. So start with the right foot single bump. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then continue your dance.